Imagine hitting the road with a car that's smarter, cleaner, and ready for anything. What if a few compact gadgets could save you time, prevent expensive problems, and make every drive feel premium? Today, we're counting down 15 incredible car gadgets that are changing the way people drive. Stick around, because the last one is absolutely worth the wait. And don't forget to subscribe to Nexvora for more amazing tech discoveries. Imagine spotting a low tire minutes before an important trip. Instead of searching for the nearest gas station, you pull out one compact device and solve the problem in minutes. The Tire Inflator portable air compressor delivers fast, high-pressure inflation with a digital pressure display and automatic shutoff. It works for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls, while its rechargeable battery and built-in LED light make emergencies far less stressful. Once you try it, you'll never leave home without it. Ever wished your charging cables would stop turning into a tangled mess? This clever gadget keeps everything neat while powering multiple devices at once. The Retractable Car Charger features fast charging, retractable cables, USB-C, and Lightning compatibility, plus extra USB ports for passengers. It keeps your dashboard organized, reduces clutter, and ensures every device stays charged during long drives. Your old charging setup will never feel the same again. Picture opening your trunk and finding groceries, tools, and emergency gear exactly where they belong. No more rolling bags or scattered items. The HOTOR trunk organizer offers multiple storage compartments, reinforced walls, durable waterproof fabric, and foldable construction for easy storage. Whether you're shopping, traveling, or commuting, everything stays secure and within reach. It completely transforms the way you organize your vehicle. What if your older car could instantly feel years newer without replacing the stereo? This tiny gadget brings wireless convenience to almost any vehicle. The Bluetooth car adapter streams crystal clear music, supports hands-free calling, reduces background noise, and connects automatically every time you start your car. Installation takes seconds, yet the driving experience feels dramatically upgraded. You'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Imagine your phone staying perfectly steady, even on rough roads or sharp turns. No slipping, no distractions. The magnetic phone holder uses ultra-strong magnets and a rock-solid mounting system to keep your device secure while remaining easy to remove with one hand. Its compact design won't block your view, making navigation effortless and safer. It changes everything about using your phone in the car. Ever packed for a road trip only to realize there's simply no room left? Instead of leaving essentials behind, this rugged rooftop carrier creates extra space in minutes. The Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag offers a large waterproof storage capacity, reinforced seams, heavy-duty straps, and weather-resistant construction that protects your belongings from rain, dust, and wind. It fits most vehicles with or without roof racks, making every adventure easier. Once you use it, weekend trips will never feel cramped again. Now things get really interesting. Crumbs, pet hair, and dust always seem to appear where you least expect them. This compact, cordless vacuum tackles the mess before it becomes a headache. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful suction, a rechargeable battery, multiple cleaning attachments, and lightweight portability for tight spaces. From cup holders to seat corners, every inch becomes spotless in minutes. Your car will feel fresh every single drive. Imagine having a silent witness watching the road every second you drive. If the unexpected happens, you'll already have the proof you need. This front and rear dash cam records crystal clear footage from both directions, captures wide viewing angles, supports loop recording, night vision, and emergency collision locking to protect important clips. It adds confidence to every commute and every road trip. Peace of mind has never looked this good. Still plugging your phone in every single time you start the car? That routine gets old fast. This wireless CarPlay adapter instantly connects your iPhone without cables, giving you seamless access to navigation, calls, music, and voice commands. Setup takes only a few moments, While stable wireless performance keeps everything running smoothly, it feels like your car received a premium factory upgrade. You'll never want to plug in again. If you thought that was impressive, the next gadget takes things to another level. Even older vehicles can enjoy a modern smart display without expensive modifications. This wireless Apple CarPlay screen features a bright touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto support, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, voice assistant compatibility, and easy dashboard installation. Suddenly, every drive feels smarter, safer, and far more enjoyable. Your old dashboard will instantly feel outdated. Picture stepping into your car on a scorching summer afternoon without feeling like you've opened an oven. This simple upgrade blocks intense sunlight before it heats up the cabin. The Car Windshield Sun Shade reflects harmful UV rays, helps protect your dashboard from fading, reduces interior temperatures, and folds down in seconds for easy storage. Your steering wheel stays cooler, your seats stay comfortable, and every drive starts on a better note. Once you have it, summer feels completely different. Imagine always knowing exactly where your vehicle is, whether it's parked outside your home or across the country. This smart GPS tracker delivers real-time location updates, route history, movement alerts, and geo-fencing notifications right to your phone. Its compact design hides easily inside most vehicles, offering an extra layer of security against theft or unauthorized use. It brings confidence every time you leave your car behind. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. The next gadget is built for adventure lovers. Loading a heavy e-bike into your vehicle shouldn't feel like a workout. This electric bike hitch rack is designed to carry heavier bikes securely with reinforced steel construction, wide tire compatibility, integrated loading ramps, and reliable locking mechanisms. It makes transporting electric bikes faster, safer, and far less stressful. Every ride starts easier before you even hit the trail. It completely transforms your outdoor adventures. Ever found yourself stuck in deep mud, loose sand, or heavy snow, with your tires spinning helplessly? This rugged recovery tool gives your vehicle the grip it desperately needs. Traction tracks, tire ladders slide under your tires to provide instant traction using durable, high-strength materials built for extreme conditions. Lightweight and easy to store, they're perfect for off-road trips and emergencies alike. When the road disappears, this gadget keeps you moving forward. And finally, the gadget every car enthusiast will appreciate. Washing your vehicle by hand becomes faster, easier, and far more satisfying with thick, rich foam covering every inch. The premium foam cannon creates a dense blanket of soap using high-pressure water, helping loosen dirt before scrubbing begins. Adjustable spray settings, durable construction, and wide compatibility make every wash feel professional. After using it once, ordinary car washes just won't compare. Those were 15 incredible car gadgets that can make every drive smarter, safer, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Which gadget impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Nexvora, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next amazing tech discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.